Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to My Technological World, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you will be receiving the next video notification. Today again we are going to talk about Galaxy S10. The latest news will have a feature we thought Samsung would never resurrect. Not all Galaxy S10 will be created equal. Samsung is hard at work on the next flagship entry into its Galaxy S range. The new smartphone model is widely tipped to come in the 3 different flavors compared to just 2 Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus last generation. According to a leaked report from the chemical supplier purportedly tasked with the building of the next generation OLED display that will be used in the 3 Galaxy S10 variant, Samsung will use a flat screen option for the entry-level handset. It has been almost 3 years since Samsung introduced the last entry into the flagship Galaxy S range with a flat screen. With its Galaxy S6 and Galaxy S7 models in April 2015 and March 2016 respectively, Samsung offered customers the choice between a flat screen variant and a dual curved infinity display design. With the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S9, the company removed that option, saved it for the rugged Galaxy S8 Active, which only launched in a few countries worldwide. The decision to go all in with its dual curved infinity display design has also extended to the Galaxy Note range, following the ill-fated Galaxy Note 7 launch in August 2016. It's unclear exactly why Samsung is looking to remove its trademark curvaceous display from the latest one model of the Galaxy S10, given that the South Korean technology firm only offers flat screen on its mid-range handsets. It's safe to assume these are much cheaper to manufacture and will allow the company to make the entry-level Galaxy S10 more affordable. But given that it already has a hugely successful slate of mid-range phones branded Galaxy A, we are not entirely sure why Samsung would want to lower the cachet of its flagship Galaxy S series. According to the leaked note unearthed and published by GSM Arena, the flat screen model will have a 5.8-inch panel. There will also purportedly be a dual curved model of the same size, as well as high-end variant with a curved 6.2-inch display. Elsewhere, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is tipped to have a fingerprint scanner embedded beneath the glass display, as well as a triple camera setup for wide-angle shots, improved bokeh blur in live focus images, and low light performance. If Samsung follows the same release pattern it has established over the last few years, we are likely to get our first official glimpse of the Galaxy S10 at the Mobile World Congress trade show in Barcelona in February 2019, with the new handset hitting shelves worldwide the following month. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the latest fresh news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10. Now your thoughts please. Tell us in the comments below. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World and hit the bell icon as well. And in this case, you will never miss a single video released by My Technological World. Till the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.